Hello and welcome to this presentation of Prototype 3. I'm really excited about this video as there are some cool changes here. So first of all, you can already see there is a capturable gold mine on the map. In fact, there are 3 of those, and I would just quickly try to capture one by just building a swordsman tavern, recruiting 2 swordsmen and sending them into the rages. Also, one quick thing is that I can't build buildings in the rages of a gold mine that isn't mine. This also impacts the enemy gold base. I can't the enemy base I can't build in there, and you can see already the building or the recruiting process. The recruiting process. This is really quick, so we will just do it again with this upper gold mine, and you can see how I'm getting gold quicker because I got a gold mine here on the map, which I captured. So when they are entering in this radius, then the inner circle turns blue and the outer circle shows the percentage. Now I completed the capture and I'm getting even more gold. And now we are essentially waiting for the enemy to destroy my gold mine and capture it, because that's the way you can capture it. You first have to destroy the enemy gold base, and then you can capture the point and you get your base. So I will just continue by producing a lot of forces, because the combat system is reworked and optimized, so now I can recruit a lot of forces and it is not lagging at all, which is really nice. I think it was around 80 now, which I produced, so 80 forces which are currently produced. The enemy is really slow, I have to admit that. I will just speed that process up. The enemy AI is random, so if he decides to build rams, which are really expensive, then he will just send them in if he has 10 rams, which is really slow. This is some unluck, but okay. So they are going towards my gold mine, and if they enter that radius, it turns red. Also on the minimap, you can see this red circle, and also the colors of, or the color of this is blue because it's mine. It belongs to my team. Now he is attacking this building. They are pretty slow, so we'll speed the process up again. And now when they destroyed it, they will capture the gold mine, but I want to intervene there. You can see the red circle and how it proceeds, but now when I enter some forces, the capturing process stops, as they are not the only team in this radius and they have to kill my forces first, and then they can resume to capture this gold mine, which will be in some short seconds. Yeah, now the capturing continues, and now it's their gold mine because they captured it. And now we will just destroy or defeat their rams. As you can see, I produced a lot of forces, and I still got 60 FPS as before. No performance issue there, which is really nice. I will even try to push the boundaries and say I produce 90 more forces. Of course, this is running on my desktop tower, so performance is not an issue here, but also on the build version of the game on my mobile phone, which is not that bad, but also not that performant, or not that powerful. Even there I am getting 60 FPS, and of course if I produce a lot of units I get less than 60 FPS, but it's a really good performance. I will show you more about that in the second part of the video, and you can see this is really something I like to see, some huge masses of forces just traversing the world and destroying everything in their way. Obviously this is just and this will probably not be possible like this in the final version of the game or something like that, because those forces are still a lot. I don't know yet how high I will set the population cap, but maybe not that high. We will see about that. And we will just... Oh, did I send them there? No, I sent them to the enemy base, I thought. Well, let's do it again quickly. Yeah, now I can see this. Yeah, I really like this. And I still got 60 FPS. And even in the build version on my phone, without the development build and the profiler thing, I would still get 60, I think. And yeah, you can see how this huge battalion destroys the enemy base. He has no chance. Yeah, there is some bug. I know. I will fix that someday. And now we won the game, which is absolutely awesome. In the next part, I will talk about the performance. So here you can see a screenshot of the Prototype 2 final version, and you can see we only got 7 FPS, even though we only got 100 forces in this picture. Now in the next picture we got 300 forces in there, and the camera is zoomed out to the maximum. We also got AI enabled, so we got a lot better performance. And also if you would go somewhere else with the camera, you get a lot more FPS. This was also on a development build with profiler information enabled, so that decreases performance too. Now I experimented a little bit with it, and I already made a huge giant map with 10 capturable gold mines, and there I produced a ton of forces, and even there I got around 30 FPS. So it is safe to say that the performance really increased, and yeah, that was one of the 2 goals. And the other one were the main the capturable gold mines that you just saw. Now I will finish this video here to keep it short, so thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And one future teaser, or one teaser for the future, is I will also post another video on Prototype 3 where I will show you how I improve performance. So with that being said, have a nice day and goodbye.